Alright, so when to use parentheses and when to use brackets. Parentheses mean less than. You would use those with the less than or the greater than. So if I had x is strictly less than 4 on a number line, what this means, that's 0. Over here somewhere is the number 4. So all of these numbers over here to the left of the 4 are in what we would call the solution set. So 0 is less than 4, 1 is less than 4, 2 is less than 4, 3 is less than 4, 3.5, 4.5. So all of these that I am circling all of these are less than 4. So you see that looks like a parenthesis? So you use a parenthesis when 4 is not included in the solution set. So let me go back to, let me rephrase the problem and say x is less than or equal to 4. Come on, here we go. There's 0. There's 4. So just to be clear, in this problem up here, the top one, 4 is not less than 4. But over here, x is less than or equal to 4. 0 is less than or equal to 4. So is 1. So is 2. So is 3. And in fact, 4 is less than 4. And that's 4 is less than or equal to 4. And that's why we use the parenthesis or the bracket. So there's the bracket, and up here is the parenthesis. Now, some examples. So if I have x less than or equal to 7, strictly less than -2, what this would look like would be -2 to 7. This does not include, this is strictly greater than, so it would look like there. This has the line underneath it, so that would look like that. What else? X greater than or equal to 7. There's 7. So this would be like this. And in interval notation, it would be 7 is greater than all the way to infinity. Now let's look at infinity. Infinity always gets a parenthesis. Likewise, so does negative infinity. X is less than 3. There's 3. Goes this way. Negative infinity to 3. So since the infinity is all squiggly, it gets a squiggly line. I don't know how else to remember it. I mean, you can never, since the bracket means you physically can touch that number, like this is exactly 4, but you can never touch infinity, so it gets the infinity sign. So I hope this helps on the use of parentheses and brackets.